If you're experiencing a problem while parsing the package error while trying to install an app on your Android device, it could be caused by a few different things. Here are a few possible solutions you can try. Check the app's compatibility. Make sure that the app is compatible with your device. You can check the app's compatibility by looking at the setting, About page and see your Android version. If your version is 8, and you downloaded the app for Android version 10, then it won't work. So in order to solve this issue, we need to download the app for our right Android version. I hope these suggestions help. If you're still experiencing a problem while parsing the package error after trying these steps, please let me know and I'll do my best to help you further.